welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So I had put up this post on Insta a few days ago. You can, if you have seen, you'll remember. So now in today's video, obviously, I'm going to let you all know what it is. So yeah, let's begin. So I'm going to make a quilled card for Friendship Day for my best friend. So yes, that is what it is. You'll get to know once I start. Showing you what exactly I'm doing. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So this is the tool I showed you on the post, and yes, this is actually a quilling tool. It is called Beat Studio. I bought this long back during my school time, and yes, I did use it that time. Then it was somewhere, and I never used it. So yes, and they gave me these sheets along with it. I mean, the kit had these sheets as well. As you can see, there are three different designs here. There was another one which I already used completely when I bought it. So yes, so this is the thing, and there's a slot here to keep those beads as well, whatever you make. So let me open it, and here you can see some are my bracelet beads, obviously, which are not made by me, but these are the ones that I made. As you can see, this is the design paper I had, and few gold and golden color also I had sheets. So yes, I made these beads using that, and I had also made earrings using these and long back. So yes, anyways, and this upper part which you can see, which I'm closing, is used to cut the paper in that shape that makes the bead look like that, longer like that. So yes, let's now start with our work, what I'm gonna make today. So to begin with, I needed quilling strips which I didn't have at home, so I was like, what to do? Then I made it myself. As you can see, I did use color sheets and marked 0.5 centimeters each and cut them out, as you can see. So it's a lot of work. Anyways, so yes, let's begin with what we have to do now. So to begin with, I am going to insert this quilling strip into the right side part first. So let me move it to the end and insert this there. So once we insert it there, we have to close it properly so that it is firm there. And now I'm going to insert this side of the part to the slot where in the slot here you get a small slot, cutout slot, where you can insert this strip. So once you insert that, then we can just rotate it, and it starts quilling. So that's how it works. So as you can see, the quill part is ready, and as you can see, all the other ones already have made 12 of the purple and 8 green ones. So now let's start decorating. I'm going to use this cardstock, which is thick, and it's like a cardboard, black color. So yes, I love it. I'm going to use it for the card now. So here you go, I have my cardstock ready, and now I'm going to draw a curved line which will be my base for the decoration. So let's do that. So using this base line, I am going to you do the quilling part. So let's go ahead and do it. So now the decoration is ready. Let me dry it first and then we'll get back to the other part. So now it has dried and it is time to do the next part. So yes, let's begin with it. So I'm going to decorate the corners now. As you can see, I did use these quilled green ones to make a leaf type and decorated the corners. Now at the top, I'm going to write to my best friend, since I'm going to make this for the friendship day. So it is ready, and at the bottom I am going to stick this small card, that is a color paper which I've turned into a card, and the front of it I'm going to decorate with just corners with the purple quilled ones, and I'm going to write something here. So first you can see how I've decorated it, and now let's write the outside part. So after writing this, that's it. I'm not going to show you all what I'm going to write inside. That is only between me and my friend. Anyways, so our quill card is ready now. So guys, let me know how did you like the idea and the tool. Obviously, as I said, I got it long back and I'm using it after years. So yeah, I did have fun using it after a long time. So you all let me know how did you like it. I'll see you all in the next video.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.